The Holy Quran says that when God tried Abraham with certain commands, and after Abraham had fulfilled them, God said, surely I will make thee a leader of men. Before God confers leadership on you, he tries you, the Quran says, with certain commands. The Quran doesn't say what the commands were. Abraham had that boy. And one day God told him, Abraham, take that boy up on the mountain and sacrifice him. Hey, wait a minute. Now look here, God. You know that I've been obedient. You know that I love you. You know that I wanted a son. You waited till I was just about ready to check out of here. And now I got me a boy. He's 13 years old. He's growing up. I'm about to die. I see my son coming into fullness. Now you gonna tell me, take my boy up on the mountain and... Man, that's a heck of a command. Some of the scholars say Satan met Ishmael on the way up the mountain and said, your daddy ain't gonna sacrifice no sheep up there. The boy said, if that's what God wants, and it pleases God, then it pleases me. And the son went on up the mountain. Watch out now. With his father. The son willingly laid down on the altar. Watch out. And as the father raised the dagger to plunge it into the heart of his son, God, at the very last second, stayed his hand and said, now my covenant is not just with you, Abraham, it's with you and your seed. I tried you by what you love the most. I tried you with your life. And I tried you with the extension of your life. And you gave me not only your life, but the life of your son. See, that's why you tie into Abraham. You can't talk Abraham. You gotta live him. And how can you live a man that you don't know nothing about?